Hey everyone, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland. Today we have the April pre-order delivery from Amiami of Tomica Limited Vintage. Let's crack it open and see what I ordered because I do not remember. I don't believe I ordered everything, and in fact, next month might be, well, actually not next month because I've already pre-ordered through, who the hell knows, July or something. August is probably going to be a little lighter because I'm really going to be a little mindful on recolors and just unnecessary things being added to my collection, okay? So anyway, first up we have LVN 280B of the S2000, and I believe this is the newer S2000. I'm going to crack this open real quick. Oh, it's got a hard top? Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. See, you forget about these things. Anyway, it is the newer S2000, so it has the updated front end. Remember, it's got a 2.2 liter. The red line dropped a little bit. This one has the opening hood, so you can actually see it. Well, not so much. Nice color yellow here. Exhaust is different. The taillight should be different, right? The front bumper is different, and that's not a bad little casting. I'm not going to attempt to put the hardtop on in front of you because, well, just because. Here's what it looks like, though, right? Hardtop, and then you got the little roof cover there, right? Much like the, what is it? The Datsun Roadster has a little plop top in there. All right, anyway, next up is LVN 280A. So this is the first one, right? It comes in two colors. We got blue and yellow. And I wonder if this also has the hardtop. So pretty neat. Nice little blue there. And I'm not going to pull it out because it's the same thing as the yellow. All right, next up we have the GTR 50 by Ital Design, the test car in white. This thing is really neat. I saw it at the New York International Auto Show, I believe last year, in that, I think it was teal, I don't remember. But it's coming in teal next month. I ordered that as well. So this is neat. Nice black and white here. Actually looks like the Toyota, well, the coloring looks like the Toyota Crown that was at the auto show this year, as far as the arbitrary black and white with the black in the front and there's really no rhyme or reason to this paint scheme layout. I'm sure they had a purpose for it. I'm not familiar with what that purpose is, but very cool. Oop. All right. Now I've said it before, Amiami does a great job packaging, right? You can see all this packing paper here because it does make that trip across the Atlantic from all the way from Japan, right? So we want to make sure that that it's safe and doesn't get damaged in the journey, right? All right, so next up we have LVN 256B. This is the 91 Toyota Hilux SSR. It's in white. It's got this nice little 90s period correct graphic on it. Four-wheel drive, and that's pretty neat. The Hilux has come out in multiple versions already. So here is 255C, right? So there were two before this one, A and B, of course. And this is the 95 SSRX, right? So again, looks like we have differences between the two. Really amount to minimal. Looks like the grille is different. The bumpers, the coloring is a little different there. It's black. I don't know if it's not really a roll bar. Whatever's in the pickup bed there. This one looks black. This one looks chrome. And that is it. They both have running boards. They both have, this one looks like it's got a rear bumper back there. So anyway, so that ends the pre-order that I received from Amiami, right? We got two S2000s, a Skyline GTR, and two Toyota pickup trucks. So anyway, thanks for viewing, and we will catch you on the next one.